Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli from Santarelli Trading Exchange and BreakingChartAlerts.com and Stock Options Trading Academy. So guys, first off here, we got about 6 minutes before opening bell. I like going live a little bit before here so you guys can get an update. Let me know if you could hear everything right in the background. Audio and visuals sound good in the trade room there. And guys, first things first, USO is getting a nice bounce from the lows yesterday as crude oil is stabilizing. As you can see to the right here, Facebook had a nice climb off that 20 SMA yesterday. It's getting up to that red 50 SMA on a daily chart right here. If you guys are still in those Facebook calls, if Rain's in those still, he didn't close those out like I did, he should be looking at a nice gain today on Facebook. So I'm going to be looking for a green candle above the 50 SMA to make the next Facebook trade. But classic trade plan down to the 20. It's starting to climb now. Now watch for that confirmation candle to add or make a new trade on Facebook. Let's see, what else do we got here? Exxon Mobil, let's take a look at that quick here. Exxon Mobil, another one holding that 20 SMA, nice steady climb. Exxon Mobil's looking great, you know. So I'm expecting some nice gains on Exxon Mobil. $45 is going to be our target. 43 to 45. We're already going to have massive gains on Exxon Mobil today. The stock's already up about 4%, 42.58 a share here in the pre-market hours. So we have the Exxon Mobil May 15th 40 strike call. That's going to look great this morning here. Next thing, GE. We still have a GE for 2022 Expo, and as you guys could see, GE's having a nice climb up over 2%. That one's going to do well. Base support at $6. It's holding that and looking good. Next one, guys, we did an earnings trade on Snapchat. Who got in the Snapchat trade? $15.21 a share now here in pre-market hours. I'm going to be getting that ready here to lock in those profits. Let's see, sell to close. Here we go. Snapchat, 13 strike call. We picked that up for $1.74 a contract. We're going to be up over 70% on this trade on open. Might even be closer to 100% here. Now that we got that climb up to $15.29, continuing to run there. So we paid $1.74. So $1.74, $1.74, 1.74, multiply that by 2. That's 3.48. 3.48 plus 13. That's going to be about 16.48. We're going to have a 100% return. So let's see, 1.74, multiply that by 2. I'll probably look to take profits at around 3.25, 3.3. I'll see where that's at on opening here. 3 minutes until opening bell, 15.25 on Snap. I'm going to put this order right here. We have 10 contracts we got for the July 17th Expo. That's going to be a nice, easy, close to 100% return. We have around $1,750 in that trade, so that's going to look great. All right, let's go back over here now. Walmart, we still have our Walmart contracts. We have the May 15th 135 strike call. Walmart's still holding above that 10 SMA. It consolidated, holding within that consolidation box, and that's looking good there on Walmart. We'll keep an eye on that. Next thing, SPY. We're going to be closing out our SPY puts as well. As long as we continue to climb here, we're going to be closing those out. Let me see here on my... Let me get my Snap ready. Sell to close. Snapchat 3.30. All right, so that's what I'm going to be watching for here. Snapchat on the open. Let me put in Exxon Mobil over here. We'll watch that. Nice trading, though, guys. We've been having some really nice setups here. It just takes a little bit of time, patience, and discipline following that trade plan, but works really well. Alrighty, so I got that order entry ready there. I'll just put it right here for now. And let's see, about 2 minutes until opening bell. If you guys have any questions, please let us know in the trade room. Noel Marbella said selling Snap as soon as possible. Absolutely, why not? You know, close to 100% return. Better off locking in those I mean, the chart looks fantastic, though. I think she's easily going to get it back up to $17, $18. But we could lock in the profits on our current Snap trade that we got for earnings and then make a new trade on that.
Unparalleled
Curtis says Abbott. Okay, there's a minute left. I'm not going to be checking out charts a minute before opening bell. So give me 5 minutes into opening bell here, and we'll get in. Santarelli Exchange is redirected to BreakingChartAlerts.com. If you guys need help, message us at BreakingChartAlerts on the Facebook business page, and we'll be glad to help you. MMY. Good morning, Avilio, Wilker, Curtis, Vincenzo, Jerry. Let's see, Skyjack, Shen, X-Runner, Efrain, Shen, Fresh and Healthy Meals. Here we go, guys. Here we go. 15 seconds. Exxon Mobil still continuing to climb, up 3.98%. And Snapchat's at 21.86% climb from yesterday's close. 15.17. Here we go, guys. Opening bell is here. Let's see. Here's our snap. 15.08, 3.30. Sell to close. Let's see if we could get 3.3. I don't think we're going to get that right now. Let's see here. 3.3. I'm sorry. 3.00. Let's see if we can get $3. There we go. We got it. It's sold, guys. It's sold. Nice gain there. Let's see. Order status. And we just completed that. We sold to close Snapchat July 17th, 2020. 13 strike call. And we sold that at $3 a contract. And doing that, we locked in, let's see here. That was nice there. Our Exxon Mobil trade's already up 15% right now. That's looking incredible there. I think I'm going to take profits on our Exxon Mobil. All right, let's close out Exxon Mobil. It's for the May 15th. I'd rather sell to close out. We'll keep open our USO here. Let's see, 4.50, sell to close. We'll see if that closes at 4.5. And, yep, that just closed as well. We got 4.52 for it, actually. All righty, we closed out Exxon Mobil at 4.52. Efrain. Nice gains there. GE's up $200 today. USO's up $75. Walmart's up $45 so far. Alrighty, guys. So what is it? It's 9:31. It just turned 9:32. First minute. And this is what you got to do with those trades. You're waiting for those setups and selling them at the right timing. Alrighty, let's see here. Portfolios. Let's see, what's today's date? 22nd. Okay, so April. Wow, look at all these profits I've been making. That's incredible. Alrighty, let me share with you this. Here's what we did so far today, and you guys can see the profits. So here we go. As you guys can see, these are from the 22nd of April to the 22nd of April. This is what we did so far today, and these are the realized profits of today so far. So as you can see, these are realized profits from April 22nd, 2020 to April 22nd, 2020. Today's realized gain in the first minute of trading, $1,629.36. Okay, here's the opening transactions. Here's the closing transactions. Let's see what we got here. So our Snapchat trade, let's see what that made quick before we go on and look for the next trade setups. 3, divide that by 1.74. That was a quick 72.41%. 72.41%. Let's see, Exxon Mobil, we bought it at $3.75, sold it at $4.52, 4.52. Divide that by 3.75, and that's a 21% return. And there we have it, guys. So far, a quick $1,629.36 profit. Snapchat's still on the rise there. I want to get into another Snapchat trade. I think that's going to soar up to 17, 18 bucks. So let's do that. Alrighty, nice job there on those profits. Resume. Alrighty.
WLL, Whiting Petroleum shares moving here on volume. Whiskey Lima Lima.
Walmart trades up $210 today. Nice climb on Walmart there. Exxon Mobil 42.76, still climbing. Nice climb on Exxon Mobil. Alrighty, guys. So Snapchat, I'm watching Snapchat here for a nice setup. Johnson & Johnson was upgraded today from 150 to 175. If you guys take a look at our daily newsletter. Let me see here.
Smile Direct, Sandy Delta Charlie, more call sweep activity, weekly 5.5 on STC, Smile Direct. That's Sandy Delta Charlie.
So here is our newsletter, guys. Let me go over that with you guys quick so you guys can see what we're doing here. Johnson & Johnson had a nice upgrade from neutral to buy from 150 to 175 target. Netflix was upgraded, price target 460. Snapchat, $18 target. I think that's going to do incredibly well. I'm going to be making a further trade on Snapchat, going a little bit further out, probably to the Summer Month Expo, and I'm probably going to put a little bit larger of a trade on there. Let's see, Extended Stay America, $7 to 14 cents as hotels start to open once again. Tesla was downgraded from 500 to 485. That's a big pullback there. Rig sector performed to underperform 250 to 150. Visa, Guggenheim, buy to neutral. And Home Depot from accumulate to hold. And then as you can see, here's our watch list. Snap, Netflix, CMG, Biogen, SPY, Delta Airlines, and that's pretty much it. Here's the earnings for today, and let's take a look at Johnson & Johnson. Let me put these down here on my list of ones I want to focus on. J&J, let's see, Snap, and we could take a look at Stay, S-T-A-Y, and we could take a look at that. So there's three we're going to check out right now. And if you guys want to get this every day, go to breakingchartalerts.com, come sign up, and you guys could get those daily, our daily newsletter, and also we have a current trade template there. 1551, Snap is still continuing to soar here. I'm going to make a trade now on Snap.
Shoot any Iranian boats in the Gulf that were menacing U.S. ships.
Let's see, I'm going to do something for the July 17th Expo. I think the 16 strike, that's quite expensive. She's still on the run, though. It's having a big climb. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm going to pick up the July 17th Expo. I'll pick up the 16. I'm going to pick up the 15 strike. I like that one a little bit more. 17's got a little bit more volume. I'll pick up the 17. I'm going to pick up 25. Let me see, 25 contracts. If this cost 135 times 25, that'll be about a $3,300 trade. I'll pick up 30 contracts, 1.3. Let's see if we could get in for 1.32. Still not executing. Order status, it's live.
Announces completion of warrant exchange.
Let's see here, change that. Let's see, we'll change that up to 1.34. That's to get in there. Alrighty, guys, we are in Snapchat, July 17th, 17 strike. We are in.
Shares of Zillow Group at the high. Zillow up 5%.
That's an
today.
official trade.
Z. GTE, Grand Tierra Energy, another low price energy stock spiking here. Golf Tango Echo.
And here is the trade we just made. We picked up the snap. I got 30 contracts, July 17th, 17 strike. We paid $1.34. And let's see here. It's about a $4,000 trade.
Before that,
Wow, we're already up over $100 on that now. You guys just saw that picture. Now we're up already 2.59%, up $104.51. And that was just from me clicking a button there to refresh it. Or I'm sorry, not to refresh it, to take another picture as it continues to climb here. Those SPY puts at 274. Let me see. I got those as a hedge. We're going to be looking to close those out. That was a nice hedge. SPY. Let's see. A nice profit for the day. SPY's continuing to climb here. Let's take a look at the 3-month daily. It's holding that 10 right now. Might retrace a bit tomorrow. I'm going to sell that SPY. Let me take a look at the SPY today. DIASPY.
Twitter account says OPEC can't solely handle the current market issues according to Iran's oil ministry.
I'm gonna watch here. If SPY breaks above 278.56, I'm gonna lock in those the SPY puts we got yesterday as that hedge. Flattening out here on SPY, but still holding above that 10.
Hello.
Yeah, did I get a call?
Yeah, your Starbucks is here.
Oh, great, thank you.
Thanks.
All right, bye-bye. Starbucks is here. You want to get the Starbucks?
Yeah, two things. Target and stock on Snap,
Yeah, that's...
and the new trade alerts.
Yeah. Guys, so I wanted to tell you guys quick, too. We just got a new system here. If you guys want to get a text alert of our, or an email alert of our newsletter, right now, guys, text trade alerts to 22828. Text trade alerts to 22828. Nice. You guys sold Facebook for a profit there. Wow, look at Facebook go 182. Are you still on Facebook? It's at 182 right now.
182.
Dude, it's soaring. It's up freaking 7%. Look at this. Look at Facebook. You're gonna Members in the trade room just selling face to
selling
for a
it?
profit.
Prices are spiking here
You
now.
selling yours
Tango
too?
Romeo, India, Papa, TRI,
got a nice
You got
Nice
your
one.
coffee?
Did it come with it?
There's two of them.
Are hitting $18.30
Come here.
at the high.
Man, people are fucking idiots. Watch, I'm gonna show you this. Just show you before I go bitching at them. It's not the guy's fault. I'll give him a tip. But here, watch this. Past orders. It's not even on here yet.
NNBC, Nanovera CD shares moving now $7.61. November, Victor Charlie.
Man. Delivered. How could I find this order? Get help. Oh, it did only have one there. I put two.
It's all good. Got the Red Bull.
Yeah, you could order another one. You want me to order one?
I had one this one. I had the.
Man, I know I put two quantity on there. I'm sorry.
Nah, no worries. It's
We'll
all
get a good lunch. We'll
It's
make
all
up
good.
for it.
That's good.
Alrighty. Back to trading here. Snapchat still holding above that yellow 10 SMA here. I'm watching that. Let's see here. Johnson & Johnson's the next one I wanted to take a look at. J&J. That had a nice upgrade today from what? It's up 2.64%. From 150 to 175 on Johnson & Johnson. Let's take a look at the 3-month daily. That looks like that's ready for another big break out there. And that's just continuing to climb. Nice break out there on Johnson & Johnson. I don't like that channel.
TRIL, Trillium Therapeutics, spiking here. Tango Romeo, India, Lima.
Our trade plan is incredible. Alrighty, so Johnson & Johnson. I really might start doing a trade on Johnson & Johnson today. I'm watching over here, Snapchat, watching up above on Walmart. USO's on the climb again here. Expedia's up 10% today. Let's take a look at Expedia. Expedia is going to be a heck of a move here. Do I want to get an Expedia now? That's the question. Obviously, people are going to start using it again. Oh, that's a toughie. Let's see what they're going for on Expedia.
Number of deaths from coronavirus in UK hospitals rises to 18,100 from 17,337.
Wow, they're still reporting big deaths there from this COVID-19 over in the UK. So expensive. I mean, look at that. A 65 strike call. You're needed at 60. 75 to break even, 85 for 100% return. So a situation like this, I just do an in-the-money vertical spread, which I think I'm going to do for the May 15th Expo here. I'm going to do a small trade on it. Buy to open, sell to open. Let's take a look at what it's going for here. Expiration, we could do the May 15th Expo. Let's see here as the economy is going to start opening. Let's see, 63, 64 vertical call spread here. Let's do a net debit limit order here of 0.50. The max we can make is the difference between two strikes. So from 63 to 64, the max this could be worth here. Let me help you guys out here. So the max this could be worth here is the difference between the two strikes. So the difference between those two strikes is $1. Okay, and it's at a midpoint now of 50 cents, so we're going to put in right here midpoint of 0.50, net debit limit order of 50 cents, 10 contracts at 50 cents. That's going to be a $500 trade. You know, for me, that's way too small of a trade, so I'm going to bump that up to, let's see, I'll do $2,000 trade. So 20 contracts would be 1,000, 40 contracts would be 2,000. So I'm going to do a 40 contract. I'm going to bump it up to 50. Yeah, see, there's not much open interest here on this. But let's see booking quick. Yeah, I'd rather pick this one up. It's at 55 cents. I'm going to hold off on this. It's pulling back a little bit here. It was just up almost 11%. So let's see what the general markets are doing before we enter into that trade. We want to get in an optimal timing here. Johnson & Johnson's retracing here. Let's take a look. Expedia on a today 1 minute chart, retracing back down to that 20. See what Facebook's doing. Facebook also retracing there a little bit. Take a look at the Qs and the Diamond ETF. Qs are just now entering the BDM, 10 crossing below that 20. We got some support though right at 208.50, so see if it could hold above that and start that next breakout again. Let's take a look at the Diamond ETF and the SPYs. Diamond ETF. SPY. I still have that SPY put we got as a hedge for the April 24th Expo. So that's the next one I'm going to be looking to lock in.
Company and Green Bond Advisors formed a partnership to align capital for construction of new solar projects. That's PECK.
Yeah, Paula. They're also doing that gaming platform as well. Paula said they must like that Geo deal for Facebook. Let's see here. Medj Live says Pinterest had a 9 to 10% pop today. Let me get in the live YouTube chat here, see what you guys are up to.
Seeing some call activity. And Kamiko, Charlie, Julia, June $12 call sweep in CCJ.
John L. Hansen said they're still in Facebook. I would sell Facebook, guys. If you're still in that Facebook trade, me personally, I'd be out of it. Just in case that pulls back. I mean, it's having a hard time holding and staying above 180 a share, so I'd wait until you get that confirmation to do that. Google is looking great. I'd really love to jump into Google. Now, look at SPY. It's still pulling back there, still retracing, so got to keep that on your radar there. So I'm going to put SPY over here by Johnson & Johnson just so I can keep an eye on the general market conditions here as that continues to retrace. Now Google, let's take a look at Google, still holding above that 20 SMA here. Let's take a look at the 3-month daily. 3-month daily chart here. There's the chart on Google. Let me get that up a little. So Google's holding that 10 really well here. I could see that easily getting back up to $1,300 a share. Let's take a look at Google. GOOGL. May 15th Expo 1250 is going for about, wow, that's insanely expensive there. It's actually not too bad. It has another day like today, and that's gonna, make close to 100% return if that has a delta of at least 0.5. Some big candles there on USO. Keeping an eye on that. I just think we're going to see increased volatility on oil here until that May meeting comes there. Let's see what Exxon Mobil's doing. Don't kill yourself watching USO daily. That's for the, let's see, that is for the January 15, 2021 Expo.
Technology, Sandy Oscar, November, Michael spiking here.
Down 36% on USO right now, but that's still going as planned.
Shares up 131%.
Bob, I didn't get into Starbucks. There goes Exxon Mobil starting to climb again here as well. Exxon Mobil still looks fantastic here on a daily chart. Would love to make another Exxon Mobil trade there.
SUS Concepts team up to launch advanced and customizable wireless and wired throat microphones for Exxon.
Snap's down about 9% right now. Our trade on Snap, 15.21 a share. Keeping an eye on Snap. Dave, we talked about that earlier in the chat there. So USO's having a reverse split, an 8-for-1. I'm going to show you guys later on in the afternoon session, because I'm going to have to take a minute and look for an example. I wanted to go with you guys and show you guys. Oh, no, Bob. Starbucks didn't burn us. I thought I put 2 coffees down, and obviously I guess I didn't.
$1.55. PECK now halted on a circuit breaker. Papa Echo Charlie Kilo halted now on the way down at 761 PECK.
King Alex, what about OPTT? Stuman says, if Halliburton keeps a green candle for today on a 3-month daily chart, would that be a buy signal? Let's take a look at Halliburton, HAL. Halliburton to me looks like a good buy. I would buy Halliburton for July Expo. Maybe January 2021 Expo. Let's see what they're going for. Option chain. I got a haircut yesterday.
SWIR, Sierra Wireless shares getting a little pop here on volume. SWIR.
Feel much better now that I got a haircut. There goes Snap again. Snap 1542 continuing to climb there. Let's see Halliburton if we picked up the, let's say, January.
Shares of Chewy popping here.
Chewy's having another pop.
For that cool activity.
So you need Halliburton at 13 just for 100% gain. A big move there in the next year, but I think that's easily going to happen. Halliburton's a nice trade setup. Halliburton's a really good trade setup there, in my opinion.
MOSY, Moses 13G filing is out for MOSY, Embry Asset Management.
Let's see, Facebook 179.85, Disney 102.08. Expedia kept pulling back. It's only up 7% now. I'm glad we held off on that Expedia. Gold is up 5% today. GOLD. Reeb said he just heard about BOSC.
$1.44 on that 13G filing. Passive stake. Michael Oscar Sandy Yankee.
Better Online Solutions.
COLL.
Haven't heard of it, Doc.
Collegium Pharmaceuticals.
Haven't heard of it. That's one I'd have to look into.
Circulated now.
Javon Howard says, nice run on PayPal. Let's take a look at PayPal. PayPal looks like that's going to continue to run higher. I'm going to jump into a trade on PayPal. Small one for now. Going into next week's expo.
COLL 13G filing.
PayPal looks like that's going to head to 115 to 120 pretty quickly. Let's take a look at the option chain here. The May 15th expo. If we picked up the, let's see what strikes we got. Come on, come on, come on. Look at Snapchat breaking out again. We were just down 10%, now only down 1% on Snapchat. There we go. PayPal, May 15th. Wow, insanely expensive. They must have earnings coming out, I guarantee you that. Just by looking at the prices of those premiums there, I could tell you. Let's take a look here. PYPL. We have earnings coming up on May 6th. I told you that without even knowing it. And that's because you can see how expensive these options are. I mean, I'd be insane to pick up something for the May 15th expo right now, especially going in with that. So maybe the May 1st expo, which is next week's expo. Let's see. That's right before they report earnings, which might get a nice run higher after that big pullback. Let's see, 112. That's pretty cheap in my opinion. I'm going to pick up a couple contracts for the May 1st expo. This is a trade idea, okay? This isn't like an official... I mean, it is an official trade because I'm making it, but I want you to understand. I'm only going to get... do I want 5 contracts? I think that's a lot. I'll get 3 contracts, a little over a $3,000 trade. $355, that's fine for me. I'll put it at $350. Should I try $345? Alrighty, guys, I just got in PayPal at $337. Nice there. Starbucks is dead to me after they announced a $130 million investment in China. I agree, Steve. Wow, the PayPal trade's already up 8%. Did you guys get in PayPal?
VZ, Verizon signs agreements for more than 380 megawatts of renewable energy. That's Victor Zulu.
PayPal, we picked up the May 1st 12-strike call. We paid $3.37 for that. And we are already up 6.66%. Still continuing to climb there. Up 7% now. So that's going into next week. I'm going to add to that if we could break like 113-ish. Definitely would love to add to that trade. Everyone's shopping online, yeah. Absolutely. But I think most people are spending on their credit cards instead of using PayPal.
PINS, Pinterest shares moving to the highs on heavy volume now. Papa India, November Sandy. PINS. GRIN, Grindrod Shipping spiking here. Gulf Romeo India November. GRIN. Another tanker company getting a high of 289, about 15% at the high on GRIN. DAL, Delta Airlines, on their conference call, CEO says expects to have $10 billion liquidity by the end of June quarter. That's DAL, Delta Airlines. Says expects to raise several $1 billion more in financing in the coming months. That's DAL, Delta. IDEX, Ideanomics share is at the highs of the day now. India Delta Echo X-Ray, IDEX. Company out earlier with a press release about 5G services in China. That's India Delta Echo X-Ray.
Alrighty, PayPal. Doc Reeves, I'm watching that Boss Better Online Solutions. I'm not a big fan of it. What's the news on it that you liked it?
KMB, Kimberly Clark, on their conference call, Kilo Michael Bravo, CEO says company experienced some disruption, including temporary manufacturing slowdowns, shutdowns, but had no material impact. That's KMB, Kimberly Clark, Kilo Michael Bravo. Says the supply chain environment is dynamic and we expect ongoing challenges in the near term. That's KMB. Iran telling U.S. to remove forces from the region and end bullying.
I love how Facebook's holding above that red 50 SMA today. That's looking really good. Christian Vroom says Netflix puts. Let's take a look at Netflix. Just sent it to you. Target? Yep.
Saudi Arabia looking into rerouting tankers headed to the U.S. if Washington imposes ban on crude imports from the kingdom. That, according to sources
Billy A
reported
says,
by
do we
Reuters.
still have the Walmart May 15, 135 call? Yes, we do. We could take a look at Walmart if you'd like to. Still holding above that consolidation box. I want to see that have a nice breakout here. Nice climb here on Walmart. Look at that climb on Walmart. 1020 cross. First candle is above that 10. It's looking good there. Nice breakout on Walmart. I think Netflix, it looks like it's going to hold that 10 SMA and then start to climb again. I'm not going to do anything with Netflix as far as the put goes, Vroom. That didn't do much for you there, Ragu, that Nat, huh? What was that other one we were talking about yesterday that looked good? What was it, SWN? Wow, look at that SWN. I should have made that trade. Son of a beast. Should have jumped in that. PayPal still on the climb there. PayPal trade's already up 6%. It's nice. Should have made a larger trade on that. PayPal really looks ready to take off. SW1 still looks good though. I'd love to jump into that one. Ragu, I have no idea how you made a 50% gain on Nat when it didn't do anything. You made that trade yesterday, you said? Doesn't make sense. Facebook is still failing to break above that 180. If Facebook could hold above 180 today, I'd be very optimistic of that getting back up to 190, possibly even 200 within the next month. So I'm watching carefully if that could hold and break above 180 a share on Facebook. Wavos says he's still in PayPal from last week, the May 8th at 350. Can you let me know, or is that the trade we originally got into? And are you up on that now? I sold my PayPal very early. I should have held on to it. Ragu, the problem is you never post them in the trade room. You talk about them after. I'd like to see them. You know, be part of the team here. Share them in the trade room. That'd be great. He said he's in that at 55 cents, out at 85 cents. Take a look at Ulta over here. I'm looking at Ulta chart as well on the other screens. ULTA. Ulta's holding that 10. I wouldn't trade Ulta. Would not trade Ulta just yet. Let me see Qualcomm over there. Got the Qualcomm chart all the way to the right. Diamond's continuing to pull back here. SPY as well. Let's take a look at SPY. Still in the SPY hedge. Crossing lower. SMA cluster on SPY. See if that continues lower. See, Netflix still climbing off that 10 there. Let's take a look at the today 1 minute chart on Netflix. NTZ right now. For Netflix, for you to go long, I'd be looking for that candle above that 50 SMA with the confirmation candle after. PayPal's back in the green here. 111.89 climbing. Snap's almost in the green here as well. That Kroger trade you guys talked about. Someone talked, I think it was Josh. I got into that trade with you guys here, but I'm down 40% on Kroger right now. We got, what, 10 contracts for $650. Still not doing too much there on Kroger. Let's see, what else do we got moving here? A USO 267. Keeping an eye on that. Might be adding to that soon. Here comes Netflix. Look at that SMA cluster. Watch for that breakout above that red 50 and then confirmation candle after. No, I'm still holding on to the SPY puts, Eddie. That's a hedge for, we have the April 24th Expo. I'm surprised, Josh Wakao, that the Kroger trade's down 39% after, you just mentioned that yesterday. We just got into it, but it's in the green, not doing too much. That had quite a decay in option premium on that. Netflix trying to break above that 50, not happening yet. USO 267. Let's look at the today chart. 265 support. PayPal 112.04. Let's see if that could break. If that could break 112.37, we're going to continue to see that rise and climb there. Mike Francic says, can you look at Boeing to short? I could look at Boeing. Curtis, Ulta looked good on the daily, but the candles there are just not too promising. Look at that PayPal continuing to run. Boeing, let's take a look at the 3-month daily. Boeing's in NTZ. I wouldn't do anything with Boeing unless it had a make or break above, below 132 or above 155. That's what I'd be looking for with that. Let's get back to PayPal. PayPal's taking off. We're back up 8% on PayPal. 112.14, continuing that climb. Netflix finally a candle above that 10, 20, 50 SMA. Now watch Netflix here. Watch what this does over the next few minutes here. See if that starts to break out. I think a candle above 422.50. We're going to have a nice breakout on Netflix once again. Keep an eye on Netflix. There she goes. She's starting that climb. There she goes. 422.27 on Netflix. If you guys are looking for a day trade, that'd be a nice day trade there on Netflix, in my opinion. Medj Live says Netflix needs to shoot to 430 again today. See if it could hold above that 1020 there. It's big candle pullback there. Failed at that 422.50 resistance we were talking about here. Now just might trade in the NTZ from 417.50 to 422.50. Our Snap's back in the green, guys. Take a look at Snapchat. All in a day's work here. There goes Snapchat continuing to run 1557 and climbing 1559. Got a $4,000 trade on Snapchat for the July 17 strike. There she goes, 1562, continuing to run. Here's the trades that we just made now. I'm telling you, I think next week we're going to be able to start increasing the size of these trades. It's been killer making such small trades lately, but got about 5,000 invested in today's trades. We have the PayPal May 1st 112 strike call and the Snapchat July 17 strike. When is Joe Biden supposed to pick his running mate? Do you guys know? Are you guys keeping track of that? Let's see here. Snapchat, PayPal. PayPal still continuing to run here. Snap and PayPal. Look at those runs there. Nice climb. Mike Rinkowski, nice to see you again in the trade room. How you been, buddy? What do you mean, what's going on with Michelle Obama? You don't think he's going to pick her, do you? Well, guys, I just looked back up at the Snapchat trade and take a look now at Snapchat. Snapchat trade was just up 250 bucks. So this was it before we were up that. Now take a look here as Snapchat continues to climb. Nice climb. The markets are continuing to run higher. Take a look here, guys. Here's the two trades we just made today live. Hold on, let me refresh here. Nice breakout. Nice breakout. So we were just up, what, $100 on the both trades? Now, as you can see, we're already up almost $400 on the two trades. We're up 10.37% on PayPal. We're up 6% on Snapchat, $240 on Snap, and $105 on PayPal there, as she's continuing to run and continuing to break out. How do you think let me see. Brian says NVIDIA. Let's take a look at NVIDIA quick here. NVIDIA 283.60 up 5% today. Wow. NVIDIA is ready to get back up to 300. There's no question about that. NVIDIA looks really great here for a good swing trade for next week's Expo. NVIDIA would be a really nice target for next week's Expo, guys. Let's see. Yeah, Brian, NVIDIA is looking good there. Let's take a look at the today 1 minute. Nice breakout, 283.20. I like it. Walmart's starting to run here too. Walmart trades back in the green. Just was. Snapchat's looking great there for another breakout. Look at Snapchat go, 1571. Big breakout there on Snapchat, guys. Let me pull PayPal up over here, PYPL. Guys, if you like these live videos, please give it a thumbs up. 180 viewers, only 37 likes. Please give this a thumbs up and share it on social media for me. And guys, one more time. Text trade alerts to 22828. I'm going to put that on the thing here. PayPal and SnapTrade are doing great. PayPal's still on the climb there, holding that 10. Let's see, Snapchat retracing back down to that 10. Let's see it continue that breakout momentum phase within the cycle. PayPal trades up 8%. Snapchat trades up 3%. Let's see what Abbott's doing. You guys are talking about Abbott in the trade room. I'm going to bring up Abbott on the top chart here. Abbott 94.77. Abbott's looking like it's having a nice climb off that 10 SMA on a daily chart here. Nice setup there on Abbott. If you're still looking to add to Abbott. It's almost near $95 now. Look at Snapchat go. Nice climb on Snapchat. Let's see PayPal, if we could get a run on PayPal here as well. Look at Snapchat go. $15.75. Kevin Hill, you have to text to the phone number 22828. And then in the message, put trade alerts. And that'll work. Look at the big breakout on Snap, guys. We're already up $400 on our Snap trade now. There goes PayPal. There goes Snap. Nice run. Nice breakout. Take a look here. And that's just being patient and disciplined and watching our trades continue to run there. And Snapchat still continuing to climb, now up $360 on the Snap trade. Up 8.54% and 8.14%, and continuing that climb right now. Snap up to $15.80 a share. There goes Snap again. Another big breakout on Snap. Another big candle. Let's look for that run. Nice climb on PayPal. Markets are taking a climb here. I'm going to exit out of those SPY puts now. Look at our trades, guys. Looking great. Up about $500 on the two trades we made. Not much, but $500. You know, $500 a day. That'll keep the job away, I think. Wow. Snap was continuing to climb there. 389.51. Facebook 180.81. I'm watching Facebook as well there, Captain Thomas. Captain Thomas is talking to us in the trade room there. There goes Snap again. Let's see Snap have that continued breakout. PayPal. Let's see PayPal run there as well. Let's see. Come on, Snap. Keep that run going. Let's break 1580 and get that green candle with the body above 1580. Snap 1581. There we go, 1585. Big breakout on Snap. Now up over $400 on our Snap trade. We're up now 10% on Snap, and that's still continuing to run and still continuing to break higher here. Looking good. Snap is ready for another run there, it looks like. Let's see that run on Snap again. Wow, now up $500 on Snap. Oh, it keeps breaking 5. There goes Snap, $554. Snap is continuing to have a big run there. We're up $600 on those two trades. Snap is still continuing to run over there to the right, as you can see. $15.90 a share. Up $600 on the two trades we just made today. Like I said, it's not much, but we also have a $1,629 realized profit from this morning as well from the trades we closed in. Another climb on Snapchat. There she goes. PayPal's starting to get a pop there as well. Off that 50. Nice climb on PayPal there, back up above 112, 112.11. There she goes. Let's see that continue to climb and get back up to the day's high on PayPal. There goes Snap as well over here to the right. Nice steady climb today, guys. Nice job today. I think we could possibly see Snap at 20 bucks by June. There goes PayPal continuing to run, looking good. PayPal's now up 8%, 9% on PayPal. Look at that run on PayPal. There she goes again. 10% gains on PayPal, 10.5% gains on Snap. Looking good. Love to see Snap have a big run now, get up to 16 bucks. Bank of America, 22.18. Bank of America is up over 2.5%. Nice climb there. There goes Snap. There she goes. Snap's climbing off that 10 SMA. There she goes. 1590 she's trying to break. 1590. There she goes. Big run on Snap. Big run on PayPal. Big runs here, guys. Nice run. PayPal's back up over 10.5%. Snap is up over 13%. Want to see that continue to run there on Snap and PayPal. There we go. Up almost $700 now on both of those trades. Looking good. Still continuing to climb. PayPal's almost at the highest of the day, as is Snap. 105 and 510. I'll just share it with you guys here what we're looking at. So there's the trades there on PayPal Snap, up a little over 600 bucks. Like I said, 600 bucks. It's not much, but not bad. Plus, we have the $1,629.36 realized profit from this morning. Abbott's still on the climb too, 94.90 a share. There goes Snap. Snap is just strong. I mean, look at how well this is holding this 10 on Snap, continuing to run there. I want to see another next big breakout here on the market. Wow, 1040 already. Curtis says, check out Roku Daily. Target on PayPal is going to be about 115. 115 to 118. Now watch Snap here. Watch it on the 10. Let's see. What did he say? Wanted to check out there. He wanted to check out Roku, ROKU. Roku Daily, 3-month daily here. Not too bad. There goes Snap again. Not a big fan there of Roku. Look at Snap breaking out again. Another climb off that 10 SMA on Snap. Let's see that next big breakout. See how it has consolidation here on Snap? Watch this. So Snap, we have consolidation. Let's draw our consolidation box. We're waiting for a make or a break above or below that box there on Snap. Now, as you can see here, let me show you guys. Got big gains already here. $700 now on the 2 trades we're in today. Here's the 2 trades. PayPal Snap. Not bad. There goes Snap again. PayPal's on the climb here as well. Let's see Snap break above that consolidation box there for that next big run. There we go. There we go. There we go. There goes Snap again. Another big breakout. 1593 and climbing. 157 PayPal, 555 on Snap. Nice climb there. Snap's now up over 600. Nice gains there. Yep. Facebook 182.
I didn't get out the first time, but you said it's not looking too good. I might be able to break even on this one.
Facebook looks like that's going to continue to run there. What's today? Wednesday?
Yeah.
182. I mean, there's a good chance she could get up to 190 by this week, next week. What do you have this week's Expo? You have the trade we got in, right? You just didn't sell it when we did. That looks great. Are you green on it now? Or?
Break even.
Yeah? That's looking good. From the chart of this, it looks like it's ready for another big run. It might even get up to 185 today. I mean, it's up 6.5% today.
And I think,
Wow.
with the market crashing the last 2 days because of the oil, it just brought that down. But the bigger plan was that it was bullish.
The chart looked bullish on it, yeah. I mean, it retraced right down to that 20, and it jumped off of that. Take a look now on our trades. Snapchat's up $630, 16%. PayPal trade's already up 20%. Looking good there, guys. Nice job today. What's that? I didn't close them out yet. No, I got to do that still. Snap is doing extremely well there. Nice job on Snap. Facebook looks like that's going to get to that 185 to 190 if you're still in Facebook. It's looking really great there. GE turned green. Let's see what else here. Walmart's green. Like to see that USO start to climb now. That'd be a really nice sight. Google's up $50 now, 4.2%. Big run there on Google. Josh Bryant says Oxy's on a run. Monica, are you still in the Facebook trade? I'm not a fan of Smile Direct. Not until the stores start opening again. Not a fan. Abbott 95.20 continuing to climb for the day. At the highest of the day for Abbott. Qualcomm looks like it wants to take a run here as well. Might be doing a trade on Qualcomm soon. Snap coming off that 20. Walmart. Let's see. Elias says, what price are you in on Walmart? Walmart, I have the 135 strike call, May 15th Expo. Average price paid $325. Facebook is looking incredible there, though. That's a nice chart set up there on Facebook. That looks like that wants to get to about 185, 190 target. Nice job, Monica. Monica, I don't see you in the trade room. Guys, if you want to come join us, go to breakingchartalerts.com. Come join us. Here's our trade room. 110 people in the trade room now. Live video in the afternoon at 2 p.m. is right here. Trade alerts are right here. If you want to click on those, these get emailed to you. They get texted to you. And you guys can see everything we got going on there. So make sure you check that out. I like posting nice charts for you guys to follow along with. If you guys need help from tech support, you guys could click right here, live support. If you want to message me or a friend, you guys could go up here on Facebook icon, click that. Or if you guys just want to get signed up now, click join now, and then go to the professional trader membership right here. Use promo code STIMULUS, and that'll give you 25% off. It'll only be $1,500 for the year. And during that year, you get access to breaking chart alerts, newsletter, email alerts, text alerts, trade alerts tab, trade challenge, trader assessment, live video trading in the morning and the afternoon, access to the live trade room, access to live video trading, and our live classes and trade recap. So make sure you join that up here. Use promo code STIMULUS, STIMULUS, and sign up for that professional trader yearly package right there. And then, like I said, you guys could go to the live trade room and meet us in there. So make sure if you're not signed up, you get signed up. We'd love to see you in there, Monica. And the rest of you guys here on the YouTube chat. Let's see, what else can we take a look at? Abbott is still on the run. What a nice run there for Abbott, holding that 10 SMA really well there. SMA cluster, big breakout, retracement, consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakout. It consolidated back to that 10, looking for that next breakout there on Abbott. Facebook's getting up to that 182 once again here. Yes, Monica, we do in-person courses as well. If you guys are interested in in-person courses once this virus is over, you guys could call my desk. My number for my desk is on the page there for Breaking Chart Alerts. You guys could message us though. We do virtual courses as well. Let's see. J. Abdazuzis. Oil is climbing, but I believe it's a fake out. The underlying problem is still present. Where to store all this oil? PayPal still continuing to break out, up 20% on PayPal. Facebook still running there. Let's take a look at PayPal. PYPL. PayPal 113, getting up to 113. Nice breakout on PayPal. Still continuing to run. Now up 22% on PayPal. Nice climb there. Look at PayPal having that big run there. Big climb here coming on PayPal. Abbott back up to 95.20, 95.24. Looking good here, guys. Guys, make sure if you guys want to get some messages, our newsletter, text trade alerts to 22828. USO is not going to rise until after May. You know, give it another 2 weeks on USO and you're going to start to see a nice climb on USO. Abbott 95.25 continuing to climb there. PayPal is just at the highs, 113.03 on PayPal. Up 22% on PayPal. Up 23%, 24% gains on PayPal as she continues higher. 25% gain on PayPal. Nice big breakout. 5, 6, 7. Nice climb here, guys. Snap is also breaking out. Take a look at Snap here to the right. Another nice breakout on Snap coming up. PayPal's continuing to run. Here were our trades before. Share them again here in a sec. Let's see that Snap continue to run there. PayPal's looking great. Let's see, what's the Dow up? Dow's up. Nice run today. Ian Karazi says he's up 18% on PayPal on his end. I'm up 21% right now on my end there, Ian. Nice job today, guys. Really nice job. Guys, make sure you hit that like button. 63 likes and 210 live viewers here. Give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying these live videos and these live trading classes here, live trade alerts. Give it a like, share it on social media. I'd really appreciate that, guys. Yeah, Charlie's not talking too much today, Andrew Richardson. Not talking too much. %20 gains on PayPal, 16% gains on Snap. Very happy with our trading today, guys. And then we locked in the profits from this morning as well. There goes PayPal again, breaking above 113. 22% gains on PayPal. Well, guys, nice way to end our morning session here. Snap on the rise. PayPal's above 113. We are looking great here, guys. L Brands seeking to terminate deal with Victoria's Secret. That's going to pull back quite a bit. Yeah, Charlie's still working from home. In the trade room, they're saying Charlie's off the past few days. He's just usually a little bit more talkative. U.S. intelligence has not detected any new satellites orbiting Earth, indicating Iran's satellite launch likely a failure. That's good news. Let's see PayPal climb off that 20 now and have a nice climb. We'll be looking for the same with Snap off that 50. And it is closing time for us here. Let's see. Moses says, thoughts on USO diversifying contracts. Will this stave off another drop mid-May? I think so. We're having another meeting in mid-May. I think they said May 5th. And then there's another one a week later. So I think we're going to get positive news from here and continue to climb. You know, so just keep an eye on that. I'm still going to be looking to add to that when I see the timings right. We're only down 39% now on USO overall. And again, that's for January 2021 Expo. Once I add to that, you know, we could have a nice boost from that once we get that positive news May 5th, middle of May, as these oil prices continue to stabilize. Alrighty, PayPal breaking out again here. Let's see Snap get above that 10. And I'm going to get off of here now. We got some things we got to do in the afternoon, and I'm going to be in the trade room, and we're also going to be live again at 2 p.m. on the website for our professional trader members. So if you guys aren't signed up yet, go to www.breakingchartalerts.com and come join us, guys. Alrighty, I'm going to get off of here now. I'm going to be in the trade room with you guys. I'm going to share some trade ideas, some charts, and look for our next nice swing trade here. Alrighty, guys, take care. God bless, and have a great day. If you need anything, please shoot us a message. And once again, guys, if you need anything, go to the website, breakingchartalerts.com. If you have tech support, need help, click over here, live support. That'll connect you live with one of our representatives. And if you click on Facebook icon on the top of the page here, that'll give a message directly to me or a friend there. If you guys are interested in signing up, click that and come join us. All right, you guys can click join now and come join us with the professional trader membership. Use promo code STIMULUS. That'll give you 25% off your yearly discount. Instead of $2,000, it'll be $1,500. Alrighty, guys, and then once you sign up, come join us in the live trade room, and we will see you guys there. Abbott's still on the climb, 95.33. Look at PayPal run there. We're now up 26% on our PayPal trade. Nice run on PayPal. That's going to be getting up to that 115 target really soon there. Alrighty, guys, great job today. Great job trading. PayPal up 26% now, 27% continuing to break out on PayPal. Alrighty, guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Great job today. God bless, and I'll see you in the trade room. Bye-bye, guys.